BCBAs, if you only have 1 hour of supervision, this is how you make every minute count. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do from the moment I walk in until the moment I leave, so you can implement it in your next session. 1. Greet the technician and the child. Say something simple like, I'm going to hang out with you today. This immediately pairs you with both of them and sets the expectation that you will be observing. 2. State the purpose of your visit. Because you only have 1 hour, you should already know exactly why you're there to accomplish. Say it clearly and directly. For example, I'm here to add new targets under listening and responding. I'm going to update the behavior support plan, and then I'm going to train you on the new steps. I've noticed we're not getting enough learning opportunities. I'm going to observe how you run targets and help increase these opportunities. There should be no surprises. When the technician understands the goal, they're more receptive to feedback and coaching. 3. Close the loop before you leave. At the end of the hour, I always do this. I deliver specific positive feedback. Pairing does not stop just because you're giving corrective feedback. And I tell them I will be finishing my protocol modification note so they understand why I am on my laptop and they are not left guessing. So, this is the structure: clear purpose, direct coaching, and documented follow through. Use it consistently, and 1 hour is enough to create behavior change in the technician, movement in the program, and good supervision notes. Drop in the comments what you do when you only have 1 hour of supervision sessions. See you in the next one.